How to log in into kp.org account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in kp.org login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Sign in, open it. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. So go ahead and fill this. Firstly, type in the user ID. If you want to save your user ID, check in for this option. Then type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on sign in, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. This way, you can easily log in into KP.org employee account. Likewise, if you haven't created your account yet, click on this option and register for it. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.